Pating Reviews presents Samsung G7 Odyssey 32-inch gaming monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to pre-order it before July 13th, 2020 to get it at the best possible price. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.